Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Seebiedeebie, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Oclean Elite toothbrush with you guys. They did send this toothbrush over to me, and it's a really nice electric toothbrush. But one thing that's super cool about it is that it is touchscreen. So you don't have to guess on your battery life or anything like that. It all shows up on your screen. What comes with this toothbrush is a little charging pad right here where you stick your toothbrush and it charges it. It does have a little USB cord. It does not come with the wall plug, so I just want you guys to be wary of that. And then it comes with this little cool magnetizing thing that you can stick on the wall or your mirror if you have a small footprint in your bathroom. And it just kind of sticks onto your toothbrush like that, which is really neat. So like I said, it's really cool because it has a touchscreen. When you pick up the toothbrush, it'll say hi. Okay, so as you can see here, I have it set on clean, 32 intensity, and I have some kind of battery life. So I'm going to swipe up real quick, and you can change your mode here. So right now I said I have it set on clean. There's sensitivity mode, a massage mode, and a white mode. But I'm going to choose clean, and it will check mark it. You just push the button, it'll set it. And then the next thing you can change is your intensity. So right now I have it set on 32, which is the highest level. So it goes from 1 to 32. I just like the high intensity. So again, I'm going to check mark that. And then you can change your duration. So I have my set on 2 minutes, but there is a 2 minute and 30 seconds, and then there's a 3 minute. So I'm going to go back and put it on my 2 minute mark, check mark it. And this is the setting that it will be on every time you turn on your toothbrush unless you go in there and change it. That is all the options that you get, which is really nice. But again, it shows you everything right here that you have it set on. So when you are ready to brush your teeth, you know exactly what you're doing. I'm cleaning it on level 32, and that shows my battery life. And it's just like any electric toothbrush. When you start brushing your teeth, it'll start beeping to let you know which quadrant to move to. Another cool feature that it has is that while you're brushing, you can see how many minutes that you have left. So at the end of your brushing, it has this cool feature where it shows you how good you did. So I did 91, but sometimes I get 100, but it's just fun to look at. But in all, I really enjoy this toothbrush. I will say that if you are a traveler, it does not come with any travel accessories, so just be mindful of that. But the toothbrush is not that big, so you could probably stick it in a Ziploc bag. They do have replacement heads on their website, and I will say their toothbrush head is very nice. I have gotten some toothbrush heads like off Amazon that were just awful, that would tear up my gums and just not feel good. So their brush heads are very nice, and I wouldn't say they're soft, but they're just right. With this toothbrush, I've been using it for about a month, and I will say it leaves your teeth feeling very clean. The battery life has been holding up really good. I did charge it once when I first got it for 24 hours, and the battery life is still going on. I'll have everything linked down below. Right now, the toothbrush on their website is $74.99, but I think a regular price is $100 USD. They have replacement heads on their website where you can order as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys around the app real quick. This is just a report. It kind of tells you what's been going on with your brushing, kind of gives you tips and stuff like that. So it's really cool to see if you want to go back and check it. And then there's a plans tab at the bottom. These are like preset plans where you can just select, or you could create your own, whatever you want. Definitely easier if you want to just select one of these plans instead of going into your toothbrush and changing it every time. More plans right there. There's a little care tab down there, an about me tab, and you can fill in more stuff about yourself. I didn't though. Definitely more things in this app, but I'm not going to get into it. You can definitely play around with it yourself though. But I will say, I tried to hook up the app to the toothbrush, and it does need like the serial number off the toothbrush, and it was acting really funny, so I emailed the manufacturer about it. What they needed was the serial number off the toothbrush, which I gave to them. They uploaded the serial number up to their system, and then I reconnected it onto the app on my phone, and everything worked fine. It's very quiet. It's not as loud. I think it's because the intensity level is not as high, and you know, if you have sore gums or something, you can change the intensity level down. So that's a really nice option. But yeah, I've been really enjoying this toothbrush. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. And that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.